Hey guys, it's Dylan with Wagner Tuning. Today we're going over one of our new products. We have our low circuit radiator. For our G series platforms, so G series that have the B58 and the B48. A little exception on the B48 is not every B48 uses indirect cooling system. So the coolant runs through the manifold on some of the B48 cars and all the B58 cars. So that's what's cooling your charge air before it goes into your engine. Some of the B48 do not use this. They have a front mount intercooler just like a lot of your other regular cars, and it will not work with that vehicle. A little note on this, this will come out at the end of the year, so if you guys are looking for one, just contact us and we can help you out. And then back to this. So this is the lower circuit, which some of you might be like, what does that mean? So think of it as, instead of the intercooler for your air, it's the intercooler for your coolant. So this is cooling your air, and this is cooling the coolant that's going into this. So to put it like that, it makes it a little more simpler, but sometimes all these big fancy words people throw around can get a little confusing. For those of you guys out there that like the technical data, your OEM low circuit radiator is only 8.17 liters. Our new design is 80% bigger, which is 14.67 liters.
How's your diabetes, man? My diabetes? Yeah, what's your A1C at? 6.7. 6.7!
A little bit on the manufacturing side, we use our competition core, billet-in tanks, and as well as this nice black thermal-resistant powder coating that helps to resist heat even more. And so a little bit more about our low circuit radiator combined with your manifold as a pair. You don't have to have both of these together. You can have this one by itself and you can have this one by itself. But these work amazing together. When you think about it, you get our bigger manifold, there's more coolant in there, there's more coolant running through your system now. So this is more coolant, but it's not directly making your coolant colder. This is what makes your coolant colder, like I said before. So with these, you're getting a huge increase in coolant capacity and more coolant cooling your air, as well as colder coolant cooling your air when they're combined together. So they make a great team together when you're driving a tuned car and trying to make your car fast. A little bit more on that plug and play side. This kit is very simple. It comes with instructions. Still, if you don't feel confident in installing it, take it to a trusted shop. If you don't have a trusted shop near you, reach out to us. I can help you find one in your area. We have plenty of dealers that will gladly install this for you. Then just a little side note before we do our recap. For you guys that are daily driving your cars, not trying to build some track monster, don't want to tune it, this is still a great product for you. It's going to help you fight thermal stress in your engine. It's going to increase the reliability of your car. And all around, it's a great product for everybody, whether you are wanting to build some drag monster or you're wanting to pick up your grocery from Walmart. And to wrap things up, our new low circuit radiators are out. Feel free to go on our website and grab you one. It's not the flashiest part, but it's a huge performance difference. If you guys have any questions regarding fitment or any questions about it in general that you think I didn't cover, feel free to reach out and we will help you out. Bye.